what's up? Alexo Crypto here going with one of my favorite indicators to help me trade successfully, and that is Sessions Lux Algo. Okay, and you can see it right here working its magic. Now, what is Sessions Lux Algo and what does it entail? Well, it shows me when certain markets open up throughout the day. We got Sydney, we got London, we got Tokyo. You know, when those people are asking, when does New York open? When do Sydney trade? When is London market open? Well, this right here makes that easy, okay? So jump in, add Sessions Lux Algo to your trading repertoire, okay? So let's look at this right here and let's go through. Now, we got all these checked on with each session. One thing that is key to note here is that to change your time zone, okay? I am in Sydney. I have changed this to +10, okay? If you are in New York, I believe it's -5. If you are in London, I believe it's 0. So make sure to set your time zone, okay? That is very, very crucial in this. All the rest is checked on as well. Now, for my style, I like to turn off the VWAPs. I only keep the boxes, the labels. You can turn off some of these as well once you get used to them. But I like to keep this on because it's to remind me of what session I'm in, okay? Obviously, it goes with the name, session. So how do you use this? How do I use this to become more profitable? And how can I use this to trade? So a lot of people, they will only trade certain sessions. We all know we love volume, right? So when we look here on the bottom left, which I've moved down here, normally it's up at the top right. I've moved down to the bottom left. I find it a little bit more cleaner. So we look down here, we can see the volume that has been traded that day, okay? So for us as traders, we can see where the most volume is coming in. It's typically New York and Asia, okay? They call it Asia. It's Tokyo on here, but New York and Asia are typically the most volume surgers, and you can see it gives you an idea of what is happening when these sessions arrive. Look, massive dump in New York Open, okay? What's going to happen in the next New York Open? Oh, it goes sideways. So by doing this, we can structure our days. This is very important. If we are living, like I am, in a country where it's hard to get to the New York Open, where all the volume happens, maybe we just focus on trading the Asia Open, or maybe we trade the London Open. There's different ways to use this indicator, but I love to use it to allow myself to trade certain times of the day. So we'll jump into our favorite time zone here, and we can look at, boom, how beautiful is this? Look, if you want to trade Tokyo, you can trade Tokyo. We know that the Asian market opened up here. It continued sideways. Well, look, let's see what happens in the next one. It is in a bit of a downtrend. Look at this next one. It is in a bit of a downtrend. It looks like Tokyo is dumping the market, right? So we can find confluences throughout price, throughout sessions on which markets are doing what. Look, we got a massive London pump here. Did London pump? Yes, off the beginning, and then it cooled off just like it did in the one before it. So we can find trends throughout the session indicator. So not only can we trade specific time zones, let's say when we get home from work, or let's say that in the evening before we go to bed, we can target specific time zones in order to trade. And then within those time frames, we can find trends that have been apparent throughout. So we can see New York here comes in, pumps, cools off, right? New York here, pumps, then cools off. So very, very useful, very, very helpful, right? And it allows us to segment our day in a way that can help us become much more efficient, much more profitable, because guess what? Time is money and time is valuable. So if we can target certain sessions throughout the day when a certain market opens, we can find more volume, right? Because it tends to be when the opening happens, we get a move, right? The opening happens, we get a move. So when we can target these openings of the markets, boom, look at that, boom, look at that. We can find early moves within these markets. So I hope this helps. I hope this adds a little bit extra to your confluence, to your repertoire, in order to help you become more profitable. So if you wouldn't mind smashing that like button, subscribe to the channel. We have a free Discord with the trade setups given every single day and live streams. So thank you so much for joining me. God bless, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.